So if you want to use your Kikoff credit, what you want to do is you want to buy things inside of their store. So all you have to do is buy things inside their store. I don't think that you guys should go crazy. I would just try to get something that's going to report to the credit bureaus. When we first got those Kikoff credit accounts, we just cared about how long they're going to report to the credit bureaus. We didn't care about, oh, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, I want to use my 750. We didn't care about that. We cared about them reporting to the credit bureaus. So if you want to use your credit, just go to their store and purchase something inside of their store. Now, again, don't go crazy. My balance right now is $15. This is my Kikoff credit account. You can see it's on auto pay, $2 per month. That's all they taking out. That's all. I don't want to pay them a lot of money. Like, I don't want to. I just want them to report to the credit bureaus. Right now, my utilization on my account is low. I got it early, so I only have $500 compared to those people that may have a higher limit. Let me actually make my screen a little bigger for you all. And then too, here's that Kikoff store where you guys can purchase those products. So I would try to get one where you're not paying that much, you're not paying that much on it. So they have a few ebooks here that you can get. And then too, they're telling you how long it can extend your payment history. So you guys can get the 15 months of payment history. It's $5 per month. I just would want you guys to get these accounts just so they can start reporting. And when they start reporting, when your credit score go up, go and get other credit cards. Don't think that you're going to have this account for 15 months, because like when I first got that account, my credit score personally went up 37 points, and I see other people credit score go up so much. And as soon as your credit score go up, that's a chance for you to actually go get other credit cards. Do not try to stay with them. Don't try to stay with them. Let me not say that. Don't try to stay with them forever and try to keep this as your only account. You want to have other credit cards. So as soon as your credit score go up, then go ahead and get those other accounts, okay? Please go ahead and get those other